Let's talk about isolation and what that does to us.
To me, the number one thing that jumps out is isolation is basically stress. Being isolated activates the body and the brain's stress response systems. It activates the HPA axis, it drives cortisol levels up, and that's bad. What can happen is with chronic stress, you can see chronic inflammation. There's some research in mice. So they would induce a stroke with this very controlled paradigm, and they would get the exact same stroke basically in all the mice. But what they found is that certain mice were having larger areas of damage in the brain, even though they suffered the exact same stroke. The artery had been blocked for the exact same amount of time. So why were they experiencing more damage in the brain? Well, they looked back and they found that those mice were the ones that were living alone. For some reason, these mice being isolated was causing them to suffer more severe strokes.
That's just a wild finding. That
unbelievable.
Simply being alone makes a stroke worse.